Standard Time. This watch includes the following county: Smith, Mississippi. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Sunflower County in northwestern Mississippi, northwestern Holmes County in central Mississippi, southwestern Lafleur County in north-central Mississippi, southeastern Washington County in northwestern Mississippi, north-central Issaquah County in west-central Mississippi, Humphreys County in central Mississippi, northern Cherokee County in west-central Mississippi, until 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:02 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Panther Burn, or near Hollandale, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Hollandale and Delta City around 3:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. Murphy and Garlow around 3:10 p.m. Central Standard Time. Isol around 3:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. Belzoni and Inverness around 3:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Swifttown around 3:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Silver City and Morgan City. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for central, north-central, northwestern and west-central Mississippi. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm. The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Holmes County in central Mississippi, northwestern Yazoo County in central Mississippi, southeastern Humphreys County in central Mississippi, until 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:34 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles east of Holly Bluff, or 10 miles west of Yazoo City, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Yazoo City around 4:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Thornton around 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Tullarville and Coxburg around 5:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. Howard and Bronzeville around 5:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Eden. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in